How to register Wells Fargo online banking. Hey everyone, and let's jump right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo. Tap on Wells Fargo Bank, Financial Services and Online Banking. You'll be redirected to the login portal of your Wells Fargo. You can enter a username and password if you already are enrolled. If not, click on the Enroll button next to Sign On. This is to create or open up your Wells Fargo online banking. Starting off, to set up your online access, start up by entering your SSN or ITIN and a date of birth. If you don't have it, press on it. Then you can set it up using your card, loan, or account number. Then just hit on the Continue button. After a thorough review and personal details, you will get yourself your very own Wells Fargo online banking account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.